Hi everyone. This is about an inverter I bought on eBay. It was from, if you can see it there, Upower. They stuck a sticker on it that says 15,000 watts. As you can see, it's not a 15,000 watt inverter. This is an 8,000 watt power jack inverter. In fact, where's the name for the... Oh, right there. It's running, so I gotta be careful here. If you can see power jack right there. This is a split phase power jack inverter, 8,000 watt. It's got the AS4 transformer in it, which is the good one. It's got, as you can see, it's got 12 MOSFETs on either side. It's the solid. It's a version 9. It's got the solid heat sinks and everything. It's a good inverter. I did modify it so it is split phase. It's got the extra caps and stuff hooked up so it takes all the interference out of that that L1 that isn't actually filtered through these version 9s unless you get that that kit for it. So Upower is out there selling these things as 15,000 watt, and they're selling them for $600. Well, I'm sorry, but they are not 15,000 watt inverters. They are 8,000 watt power jack inverters, and they're not split phase until you convert them to split phase. Because this thing says 15,000 watt low frequency. And it says split phase on here, so yeah, pure sine wave inverter with 250 amp battery charger, 60,000 peak surge. Yeah, whatever. Even power jack doesn't say that. But yeah, low frequency, split phase, pure sine wave. That's what they listed this thing as, and that's not what it is. You know, so I made it split phase. I put the extra caps on the L1, you know, the same caps as what's right there. I got right here just tucked away, so it does take all the interference out, and it does work really good. I've never had any issues with anything blowing up in the house or any of my barns or anything. You know, it is a 48 volt. It actually, this inverter is a really good inverter. I've had a little problem with lightning that whacked the board once. I had to put a new board on it. But other than that, I mean, I never blew any MOSFETs even with the lightning strike, because the lightning strike came through the neutral or ground and didn't come through, you know, hit the batteries or anything. So didn't hurt the inverter as far as the transformer. It blew the main board. It probably blew the processor and the power board. So I did put a new power board in it, and it kind of half lit up, and nothing really wanted to work. So I spent $100 and put another board in it, and it works fine. So just as long as everyone knows that Upower is selling these, they are not 15,000 watts. They're 8,000 watt power jacks. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice day.